Just calm down. Just calm
What
down.
are you? Where
Calm down.
What
Don't
are
do
you?
that.
Punching me, pushing me.
I didn't do anything.
Check your cam. Check your cam. Don't
Stop.
touch. I
Do you
didn't
hear me? Do you
No,
hear me?
incorrect.
Do you hear me?
Incorrect.
Stop.
It's D, but we're gonna miss it.
It's D concourse? What gate? Number?
14.
Right from the start, this isn't just an argument between travelers. It's becoming a legal balancing act. The biggest question is simple. Is this still a voluntary conversation, or has it quietly turned into a detention? Watch closely, because the answer could change everything that happens next.
Number.
14.
No,
Originally.
D3.
Here it is. You're saying two different things. D what?
D3.
D3, what do you have?
Here's the old one.
You have the old one. Apparently they changed the gate number.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yes, we've been over that.
What is your name, sir?
Where are you?
I'm with the police. I'm just trying to help out. I'm not trying to aggravate you, sir. If you're not really noticing, you're on the ground. So that in itself is
I was
caught.
resting. I've been here for.
I want you to
8
rest.
hours.
I want you to rest, but D, I could tell you how to catch the train to D if you wish.
That'd be lovely.
Come on. You want to come? Let's all go to D. Thank you for your patience with me, sir. It's in this direction. I want you to take your time. It's this way.
Thank you.
Let's go, ma'am.
No, I don't feel safe.
Okay, well, you don't have to go to D concourse if
Why
you
are you
don't
not
wish.
doing anything about what I've
Well,
said?
okay, I need you to calm down.
You need me to calm down.
Yes, ma'am. He's going to his flight, D concourse. Do you want to go on your flight? They can separate you on the plane. You don't have to be together.
But
No
I
worries.
called.
Have a seat
I'll
for me,
stay.
sir. Have a seat. Look, he's saying he's staying.
I had.
You could go on your flight. This gentleman said he's staying.
No, my friends live here.
Okay, do you want to catch a flight to... What city is he going to?
We live in California. We live
Okay,
in Los Angeles.
all right. I'm trying to resolve your concern here. The gentleman said he
I
wanted...
have to go home. Nothing to do with that.
All right.
I have work.
Okay, so where do you live, sir?
LA.
All right. And where do you live, ma'am?
I
She
live in
lives-
Los Angeles.
All right, so you both live in LA.
Atlanta.
No,
Look at her. Look at her.
sir.
Look at her ID.
Sir, it's okay. We're trying to
Her
resolve
ID.
this.
Yeah, resolve it. Look at
All
her
right.
ID.
You're a little
I have a lease
inebriated.
in California. Thank
I
you
sure
very much.
am. But look, I'm LA. She's Atlanta.
Okay.
Check.
I have a lease
Check now.
in California.
Check
All
now.
right. California, I see that.
Correct. Check her ID.
Here's the thing. Calm down, sir. Let her just talk. We'll go back to you back. I'm just trying to figure out what the issue
Bruh,
is here,
bruh,
sir.
bruh. We're gonna
Understand.
do this legally. I
Okay.
live in LA. She doesn't. Check.
I have a
Check
lease
now. Check
in
now.
California.
Let me go ahead and
I
police,
own
sir.
a home.
Have a seat for me, sir.
No,
please.
you're a bad policeman.
Thank you so
Check
much.
her ID.
You can't tell me what to do. That would
I
be
actually can't.
that would be my
What?
prerogative.
What?
ask her for
What is the
anything.
law, sir?
Sir, just
Sir, what is the
relax.
law?
You're
No.
uptight. No,
I
no.
will be. Yes,
No.
correct. You cannot
Stop.
tell me what the law is.
This is where emotions begin to overpower logic. The man keeps demanding to know what law he actually broke. A question that's more important than many people realize. Police can investigate suspicious behavior, but every detention still needs a legal foundation. Did officers already have one? Keep watching.
Why?
Stop, sir.
Wait. What's the
Stop.
law? Tell me. Tell me what law I broke.
Let me know when you're done.
Oh, you want me to continue? Sure. You're telling
Don't
me
come up
I
on me,
can't
sir.
go.
Don't come
To
up
my
on me.
gate.
I didn't say that.
She
I didn't say that.
lives in LA.
If you wish to go to your gate, go to your
check her
gate.
fucking ID. I will. Goodbye.
Bye.
Welcome, sir.
Stay here.
Welcome, bitch.
In the middle, take
Hey,
the escalator
fuck you,
down.
fucker.
Take the
Hey,
escalator
suck
down
a
and
dick,
grab the train.
Stupid bitch.
Thank you
You're
so
not a
much.
fucking cop. You're a fucking. You're.
Calm down, sir. Just calm
Security?
down. Just calm
What
down.
are you? Where?
Calm
Where?
down.
Where?
Calm down.
What
Don't
are
do
you?
that.
I didn't get near you. What are you? What are you?
Give me some space.
What? Or what? You're gonna shoot me?
No, sir.
You're gonna
just
shoot me like
no.
every other black man you shot?
Stop. You see,
What?
That's
Or
not-
what?
that's
What,
not
bitch?
even-
What, bitch? I can
You're
fucking
just
say what I
upset.
want. Because
Just
you're
relax.
a fucking whore.
Just
You're a
relax.
lying fucking whore.
Stop,
you can't
sir.
do shit to me. Name the lie, bro. Oh, I'm gonna call more fucking people to shoot me. You're a fucking
Stop.
stupid
Relax.
bitch.
Relax. Just
What?
relax. Just go
What?
to your gate, sir.
Make me.
It's not a matter. I don't need to make you. You can do that.
No. You tried to make me fucking come back here.
Just relax.
Still sleeping, right?
Just relax.
Stop touching me.
Don't push up on me. Just relax.
You touched me.
Just relax. You gotta give us some space.
Who touched who?
Just give us some
or
space.
What?
No,
or what?
That's not what it is.
Do it again.
Stop, sir. Don't come up on me.
Do it again. Do it again.
Don't do that.
Do it again.
What's going on?
This fucking little bitch of a cop, wannabe, came up with me while I was sleeping, started fucking punching me, pushing me.
I didn't do any of that.
Check your cam. Check your cam. Who touched who? Who touched who? Who put their hands like that?
3716.
Who put their hands like that on me? That was this fucking bitch. That was that fucking bitch. That was that little bitch.
Yo, stop.
No,
Stop,
take the
man.
cam off. Take the
I'm
cam
with
off. Let's
37.
fight. Let's fight. Take the
No,
cam off.
no, don't do that.
Yo,
We want you to go to your gate.
man, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Excuse me.
Yo, stop.
Don't
Stop.
touch me.
You hear me?
Don't
Stop.
touch- I
Do you
didn't-
hear me? Do
No,
you hear me?
incorrect.
Do you hear me?
Incorrect.
Stop it.
Incorrect.
Stop.
Incorrect.
Stop. Stop.
Incorrect.
Stop.
Everything changes in seconds. What started as a heated verbal confrontation has now turned physical, and that dramatically raises the stakes for everyone involved. From this moment forward, every movement, every command, and every use of force will likely be examined frame by frame.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Name the law. Name the law. Name the law.
Stop it.
Name the law. Name the law I broke.
Put your hands behind your back, man. Stop resisting, bro. Stop it. Stop. Can you?
Can I? Can you? Hey man, why are you trying to beat me? Why? Why? Let them hurt me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. You're gonna break my arm. Hey, for real, man. You're gonna break. Please stop, please. Ow! I said stop, please. Please, you're gonna hurt me for real, man. Hey, I let go, please.
So you let go. You let go.
Bro, I didn't hurt you. Did I hurt you? Yes or no? You're a liar, sir. Wait. Hey, lift. Hey, wait. Wait,
27, let me have your car for gate Tango 787.
name the
On
line, bro.
a female on the jetway being irate.
Sir!
Come on over here, man. Come on over here. We're going to the precinct with her.
About my shoulder. Please.
He's on the.
Damon.
He's going to the
My
precinct.
shoulder, please. Tell them on my shoulder. For what? Tell them on my shoulder.
Calm down, sir. Calm down.
Tell them on my shoulder, please.
Calm down.
It really hurts. You know on my shoulder. Sir, please look at my... Wait. Ow! Ow!
Where's Jalen?
Please look at my shoulder.
Okay, ma'am, come with us. This is his shoe. I got the shoe. You don't want a shoe? Okay, he's going to the precinct. You're gonna catch your flight?
I'm going to my mom.
Okay, all right.
You gotta give us something.
Give us something.
You continue to fall to the floor? Okay, stay on the floor.
Please look! Please look, fucker! Please look! Look at my shoulder!
He's just trying to press buttons.
Are you going to continue to drop to the floor?
You keep picking me up that way, sir, yes! Look, please, I had a super spinatus and Please, I keep telling you.
Just relax.
I'm not fucking with you.
Don't drop to the floor like
You ready?
just
We're
did.
just gonna help you.
I told you to stop multiple times.
Come on, we're gonna help you. You ready?
All right.
Right now, don't help me.
We're gonna. Okay, well then get up.
Okay, well, get up then.
You got 20 seconds. If not, we help you.
No, you don't have time to show us anything. Go ahead and get up,
That
sir.
is a lie.
Sir, can you get up, please?
He's got 10 seconds.
Please call your supervisor. Please call your supervisor.
Enough said. I'm gonna call some car.
You could kind of wiggle onto the chair. It won't move.
My issue is my shoulder.
It's okay, sir. Just one step at a time. There you go. There you go.
So you guys think it's
Just
funny?
no. Nobody's laughing. Nobody's
You
laughing.
looked at my surgeries. It's real.
Have a seat. Okay. Push all the way back.
I'm not fighting you, sir.
Push back. I'm gonna lower the arm. There you go. We're gonna go now. I'm gonna put the backpack.
Now the focus shifts from resistance to possible injury. The suspect repeatedly complains about his shoulder, while officers continue trying to gain compliance. If that injury is legitimate, investigators will compare body cam footage with medical records to determine whether force remained reasonable throughout the arrest.
On your. I'm gonna put the backpack on you, on your lap. Okay? Can I get the backpack, sir?
Hey, Sarge is en route. What
Okay,
about-
I heard her.
what about
Tango.
the mates?
Make sure she goes to Tango 10.
Yeah,
She
she's
said
at
Tango
10.
2?
No, she's at 10.
Okay. Here it is. Cool? Check it out. I'm even going to secure it for you. Look at that.
Bro, you're playing me.
Nobody's
sir.
playing with you.
You're playing me, sir.
Nobody's playing with
Can you
you.
look? Can you look?
Keep in mind.
There you go.
Keep in mind, I've been watching you on the camera. So go ahead.
Please. Okay.
I'm
Here's
listening.
Okay.
Put your feet
Stop
up.
pushing me.
Put
Stop
your
pushing
feet
me.
up.
No,
Put your feet up. You're going anyway. Put your feet up. I'm listening to you.
Okay. This gentleman was an honor and a scholar. He was so kind.
Again,
This
I
man
monitored the whole
lied.
camera.
Okay, and you know he threw me on the ground.
No, he
This
did not.
fucking piece of shit.
No, he did not.
Of course.
I watched the camera.
Sir, you're a
I
liar.
watched the
You're a
camera.
liar.
I watched the camera.
You're a liar, sir. He literally pulled my shoulder, and I told him I had an injury multiple times. Wait.
Well, if you have an injury, you
This
should be
sir.
attacking officers.
Ma'am, I didn't attack them. Not once. Not once. Show me one incident where I threw a punch or
You
anything.
don't have to throw a punch. You can make gestures.
Oh, got
can
it.
go at
Oh,
somebody
you're
like
one
that.
of those.
No, I'm not one of those.
No, you're one of those kind of liars.
When I have three
Got it.
officers
I'm
tied
glad I'm
on
at
one
Georgia.
person, I got a
I'm
problem
so
with that.
glad I'm in Georgia.
Yeah, welcome to Georgia.
Yeah, welcome to the lying state of bullshit. I came home. I came home with my girlfriend who was fucking cheating on me with everyone. And now I can't go home. I don't
You will
get it.
eventually go home, sir.
I just want to go home.
You will
I
eventually
didn't
go home.
do anything. I just want to go home. She fucking. She literally was whoring, man. I sucked, man. I can prove it. I will show you pictures, man. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Please, do you have evidence for me breaking a law? Sir, please, do you have any evidence? I didn't do anything. I just want to go home.
Try to decompress a little. Relax.
Let me show you, please.
You'll show me in the precinct.
What does that help? I didn't go home.
You will eventually.
But then I gotta pay for it.
He will be placed delicately inside the cell.
Absolutely.
That is a liar. That is a liar.
Focus
He
on
hurt
me.
me.
Focus
He hurt
on me.
me so many times.
Focus on me.
I need
Fo-
him. Please,
Focus on me. Focus on me.
please don't let him touch me.
No, I won't let him. Focus on me. Watch your feet. I told you to keep your feet up.
No, I told.
Keep
What's
your
your
shoes
name,
on.
sir?
Keep your shoes on.
I don't have the
Sir,
camera,
sir, I'm gonna have you get up and we're going inside the cell.
Please look. Please
Come on,
look,
come
sir.
on. Look.
Please.
What?
What's that?
It's your ankle.
No. Come on, don't be an asshole.
This is not about being an asshole. You're telling me what it is.
What is it?
Looks like an ankle to me, sir.
And it's lawyer multiple times. I've asked for a lawyer. You do not get to take anything from me.
Call whoever you want to call.
Can you take my shit?
Sure, absolutely. What would you like me to
Oh,
tell
I'm
you?
sure you would love to. Sir.
What would you like for me to
Sir, behave
You are
yourself.
ready to
His credentials are in his wallet. His wallet is in his front pocket.
What else? Sir, what else? What else? Do you want to do it again? All right, let him up. Let him up.
Both like
Let him stand up, stand up, stand up.
Okay, go ahead and up.
Let him go, let him go. He didn't do anything, but I'm just gonna tell you.
I am.
Sorry, just from my surgery. Jesus Christ. Take the cuff off. No?
You want me to have you take them cuffs off of you?
Ma'am, I haven't fought anybody.
No? No, I'm gonna take it off.
Cool. Oh, okay. He complained. I, Officer Campbell, will adjust the cuffs. They're gonna stay on, but you complained about them being tight. So I'll adjust.
You want them in the front?
Anybody but you.
Anybody but me, no problem.
No,
he did
anybody
complain
but you.
about the
Anybody
cuffs
but
being
you.
tight.
Anybody.
Here's where the legal analysis really begins. The First Amendment protects harsh criticism, even profanity directed at police. But it doesn't protect threats or physical aggression. That line can be incredibly thin, and once it's crossed, the entire legal framework surrounding the encounter changes.